Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to try this this roof, I guess, or dome shape roof structure. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to create a mass, conceptual mass, and of course you can also use a model in place mass. Okay, so first I want to set work plan. So we're going to draw some line in this reference plane. Okay, so in this, so select this one first to set the work plan into this reference plane, and then we need to draw a couple of reference line. So first one will be this vertical one. So this is the center of this shape, so axis line, and then we need a horizontal line. So this line is used to help us to create a perfect arc. Okay, so once we have these two, and then another reference line, this start end arc, and the start from this point, the end point will be on the floor level, so roughly here. And then as you can see, because we already have this horizontal line, it tells us when we try to create this arc, it tells me, oh, this is a very sweet spot. So okay, so create this, and then we can delete this one. So now we can select these two, create a form. So this is a perfect dome shape. Now however, so this form will not work, so I'll show you why. So if I create a divided surface and apply that triangle pattern based divided surface pattern grid, so this will create this pattern. So you can see it's small triangle up there, big one here. So this is not different. Okay, so okay, so what can we do? I'm not sure. If you know how to change the pattern, please let me know. Okay, so now let me just move this away. Okay, just you can stay there. Let's do another one. So this time, so instead of doing this, let's create it slightly differently. Okay, so we will create it in the floor horizontal plane. So let me just select this level, okay, and then draw this exactly the same. So first draw a line. Oh, hang on. Actually, yeah. So I draw this, and then maybe I can just do a half circle. So let me just try to do a half circle instead. Okay, so start from, I guess from, I'm not sure, I'll just do it roughly here to here. So half circle, and now make sure you do not touch this line, do not touch this point with this one, because this will give you this shape. Okay, Control Z, Control Z. So now we have these two, create a form. So this will create a sphere, and then from this sphere we can try to cut half of them. So let's try. So first select this again, reference rectangle, this, and select this. So you can directly create a void form and pick the one on the left. So this will automatically cut your void, and it looks like we need to cut the other half. So let's select this solid first. So this will tell you where your void is. Maybe you can just drag it down, and maybe on this one you can go up a little bit, or if you want, looks like it doesn't work. Revit's not happy. I'm not sure, so I'll try again. Okay, so if I move this down, not cutting, this is go up. Revit is not happy. So let me just Control Z. Okay, so it looks like it will only work here. Maybe is it solid? It looks like a solid. I'll see if I can delete it. No, doesn't work. Anyway, so I think should be fine, but this surface looks weird. It looks like let me try. So select tab, select, and doesn't work. Tab, select. Yeah, so divide surface. Okay, so at least it looks different to that one already. So let's try this one. Try triangle. Okay, so let's increase the number of the panels. Okay, so now you can see this one's different to this one already. So it looks quite like this one, but it's not perfect because we still have this. See, this area, it's quite small, narrow, and yeah. Oh, the rain outside is it's crazy. Anyway, so yeah, so maybe if you're not too worried about the size of the patterns, or just want to a rough idea about the pattern, so you can probably use this one. And also I want to try, so I'll just quickly do another one. Okay, so quickly do another one. So let me just move this away as well. MV, so I see where I can move this here. Okay, so and this one I'm going to just draw it on floor plan again. So reference, and reference will be yeah, so this is access line, and I think I will just draw, draw an arc away from this axis, and just do it something like this, and then make it reference line. And maybe just I'll delete this one because I want this axis line in the center. So I'll draw this arc first, and then use SC to snap center point. So now we have this line in the center point of this arc. So now we select this one. So this will create us this one instead of that sphere. And from this one we can just create a void, another void. Okay, and then use void form, cut, and then select this one. Let me try to see if I can cut all the way up to create hang on. Looks like Revit's not happy with this shape again. So okay, still okay, but as soon as I let me just try to drag that face up. So if you look at my cursor, once I touch this edge, it won't work. So yeah, interesting. So anyway, so I'll just stop as close as possible. So maybe TL. So I can, where's my void here? Go up, down. This is very close to. So yeah, so now we have this shape. So it's very similar to this one now. And then we can just tab, select, and create a divide surface, and apply that triangle. So this one should be much better than this one, but still it's not perfect, but I think it's closer, right? It's closer. So now with this one, so I'm not going to model all those pattern based family, but I will just create a pattern based curtain panel pattern based. So you just pick, actually I'm going to use the triangle checkerboard. Okay, triangle checkerboard, and I'm going to just make them not reference line, so we can just see those model line. And for this one, I'll change this one to checkerboard, and then load this one into here and select this. So and then we can just use this pattern. So hang on, it's not visible. Anyway, so it looks like we need to draw some draw those lines. Maybe I'll just do a very quick one. So one, just draw on face and use a reference rectangular, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick world plan, and just draw a shape, something like this, and select all these reference line and this profile, create a form. So this is a frame, right? So load this back, overwrite. So now we have this. Okay, so it's very the reason why I use the checkerboard, so because with this pattern we won't have overlapping frame. So you can see one here, one here, one here, nothing here, so which means there's no overlapping. Yeah, so I think this one's quite close to this already, and you can just adjust the size of the frame, right? Okay, so this is another one, and we're going to try the last one. Okay, so another one. So the last one, I'm going to use this shape, or use this shape. Maybe use this shape. So I'm going to copy this one, not this reference plane. Try to copy this. Okay, so you see here. So when you copy, doesn't work. Yeah, it's a little bit hard because when you try to copy mass, you need to copy everything. So the reference line, all the reference lines, everything involved. So otherwise it won't work. But maybe I'll just delete this one. I'll use this form. Okay, so I'm going to delete DE, delete the pattern-based family, and I'll also looks like there's another overlapping. So delete, yeah, okay. So now just after we delete those two divided surface, now we have this form. I'm going to use this form directly. So, but this time, actually, the last method we don't even need this one. We can just use this one. So let's use this one. Delete, and we have this, right? So use divided surface, and we just need to select, turn off this. We can use intersects, but before that we need to go to floor plan, draw some reference plane. So RP, so one here. Okay, so I'll drag it down. So let's name it one, and I'll just copy some. So let's say 3 meter. Okay, every 3 meter, just copy them. So once you name the first one, you will see Revit will automatically name the next one. So once you copy, so this one's 8, and then we can just mirror it here. Okay, so now we select them and rotate, RO, rotate. Okay, so with this check, with copy checked, and then we just need to rotate by 120 degree, and another one rotate by 120 degrees. So now we have 3 directions, right? And then because they are all named, yeah, they should be named, all of the reference planes. Now we can let's select this surface, and we can maybe we can only select one. And in here, so intersect lists, pick the first one, last one, check OK. So now we have grids. And the same, this one, first one, last one, check OK. So now let's go to 3D view, and this is some grids we can use. Okay, so with this one, we still need to, I'm actually not sure about that. We can try, but I don't think it will work. So try this family 4. Oh, no, it doesn't work. Is it right? No, I don't think so. Or even I can't create. yeah, I don't think it's not matching the pattern, so it won't work. So but we can use we can do this. So select this one, go here, surface representation, check the nodes. Okay, so now we have all the nodes. So can you guess what the next step? Oh, we missing one. Oh, another one. Maybe we let me have a look. Missing. It's not. It's probably that's a little. I think it's see here. It's because of this direction and this direction. They are not. I'll see if I can move all these reference plans down. I'll just do this. Select all these reference plans. Oh, yeah, I should have checked that, because when we rotate, the same point is not in the midpoint of that this dome, so that's why it's having this issue. So now I think I have all the reference plans selected, 57 of them. No, it should be no, we must 5 plus 7, 12. Yeah, it should be right. So now MV. So we're trying to move this down from this point to here. So this should solve that issue. Now let's go to 3D view again. All good? Yeah, we fixed that issue. So now continue. So this one, go nodes. Okay. So now we have all the nodes, and the next step is we can't use that pattern-based family actually. So let me just quickly apply that pattern-based family here. So maybe I'll use this one. Okay. So remember, when you're trying to divide surface onto a cut surface, you need to tap twice. We can do this. Tab, select one of the pattern-based family. So create similar. Oh, sorry, doesn't work. So we need to go here, family. So here they should be this one, pattern-based family. You can drag this out, and then so this family can be placed like an adaptive family. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So now we can do this, repeat, and that's it. So as you can see, this will be some issue here, but the majority, most of them works fine. And also we will have we have overlapping issue as well, but at least looks right. And this is it. Let me just do another one. So drag this family, a pattern-based family out. 1, 2, 3, and just do a repeat. And this will fill this. And this is it. So basically, we can. There's some issue here, but you can always, delete some of them. And so, for example, you can delete this. And you can manually, so just place them, do 1, 2, 3, and you can fix this issue here. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? Let me just do it slowly, okay? So, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is it. So okay, so now recap. Let's recap. So first we did try this one. Actually, first one we did is this one, and we directly create a pattern-based divided surface, and then the pattern is not the one we're looking for. So just hang on, it's not showing. I'm not sure. I'll delete it. let's ignore that. So yeah, first one we use this surface, but the pattern is not right. And the second one we tried this shape, and yep, looks okay. The result is okay. So, and okay, so yeah, the result is okay. The last one we use the first method, and we use intersect grid by intersects, and we can get a similar result. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.